You're already doing it. We are all going online to buy all the things that we want and need. $100 a day on YouTube. Just go to www. Welcome back, guys. My name is Thony Barretto. Today I'm going to share with you a secret that not all people know about YouTube. I create videos on how to make money online just like this one. If you subscribe right now, I will send you a notification and an update whenever I make a new video so you don't miss it out. Warning: results are not typical. You may earn $50 or $150 a day depending on your product video. Use this at your own risk. 99% of the people who close or skip through my videos do not make much money at all. So make sure to watch this video all the way through the end. Here are some of the videos in YouTube that have quite a number of views. The first video is about the Bezos swivel vacuum cleaner for pets and its review. Next is the Panasonic Lumix DZ-FZ82 camera. And last is the Revlon hair dryer brush review. Can you see what each of this video is missing? Yes, each of the video is missing the affiliate link. So to earn on your YouTube product videos and reviews, you need to get an affiliate link. Where else can you get them but at one of the largest e-commerce stores in the world, Amazon.com. Just go ahead and sign up to their Amazon Associate Affiliates program. Just want to share with you some quick facts about Amazon. Did you know that in 2019, in the US alone, Amazon's net annual sales is around $193.6 billion. Wow! If you think about it, most people really trust and go shopping online using Amazon. After the US, Germany comes second with $22.2 billion, followed by the UK at $17.5 billion, and Japan at $16 billion. A lot of money is being spent on Amazon.com, which means that a lot of people are looking for product review videos like yours. Do you guys know Jeff Bezos? If yes, then you must know that he is the owner of Amazon. According to Forbes, he's the rank 1 richest billionaire in the world, with a net worth of $180 billion as of this video recording. So back to Amazon's affiliates program. In this program, you just need to go to the Amazon Associates website, then sign up. Get your affiliates link, shoot a product video, post it on YouTube, and start earning. As easy as that. Just a few pro tips for you guys and the 4.1 million Filipinos in the US. Select products that are on the luxury beauty, digital music, handmade, digital videos, physical books, kitchen, and automotive to maximize your profit. Make sure the product is $100 or more and are the top sellers of their category. But guys, let's face it, what is the problem with all these product videos and reviews? You're not going to get rich in doing this, and it's going to take a really long time to get rich. This reminds me of how I lost my job last 2018. I was really struggling in cash flow for a very long time, just trying to find out what is the secret in making money online. Am I going to achieve my dream lifestyle? What else can I do to earn the money, not just to pay the bills, but maybe have a little bit something extra to go on your dream vacation with your family? And it wasn't until I connected with the right people that showed me a step by step exactly how to make a full-time passive income right online. As a matter of fact, this allowed me to work at home and live the laptop lifestyle. I wouldn't be able to do all of it unless we connect with the right people that show us the step by step and would take us by the hand. There's no gimmick, no games, a legit type of thing that I wanted. Not just to make money overnight, but something for the long term. A passive income is something where you can make money while you sleep, or on a dinner date with your wife, or when you're on a vacation or traveling, and you see new money arrive on your phone inside your account. How was that possible? Well, that's what I want to share to you guys today. Down below in the description of this video, there's a link. Go ahead and click on the first link, and that will take you to another video of me, and I'm going to talk about this and share a little bit about what this is all about. It doesn't take that long. There is no obligation right now. Check out the first link below in the description, and I will get you the information to you right away. If you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want more videos about making money online, hey, hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and whenever I come up with a new video, I'll send you a notification and update so that you don't miss a thing. Alright guys, you have an awesome day, and see you on the next video.